Today we're going to be changing out the band motor of the Vision V3 or V4 elevator. Alright, first thing we have to do to change out this motor in particular, we have to remove the elevator from the machine. We're going to go ahead and remove the front little panel. Here. Here. I'm going to set this, pull it up, set this aside. Take out the cardboard, put it aside. And we have our basket, alright? We're going to go ahead and grab onto this connector, all of the wires, and gently tug down. Okay, disconnect that. Now we're going to remove the basket. To remove the basket of the elevator, if it does not have these screws on, you're going to do the following. You're going to come to this area right here on the right hand side, grab onto the metal bar, pull this forward, and it's going to unhook it on this side right here. Alright, once you do that, there's a tab on the bottom. You're going to pull towards you, and this basket comes up just a little bit. Now there's another clip on the left hand side that you have to push upwards. Okay, and then you pull on the basket like so. Now the basket is unhooked from its place. Now you have the metal tab on the back. Alright, you're going to put it as an angle. Alright, now turn it so enough so you can unhook it from the back. Once you do that, you can go ahead and pull out the basket. Alright, like so. Alright, now the elevator band motor, it's right here in this location. We're going to go ahead and we're going to unhook the wire that connects to the rear sensor bar. Alright, we're going to go on the bottom. Okay, and we're going to notice that the up and down motor, it's also connected to this metal, to this black plastic bracket. We're going to go ahead and press on this and remove that connection. Okay, another thing we're going to do right here on the bottom is remove this bar. This is the reason why we have to remove the elevator from the machine, because we need to remove these bars to change out this motor. Alright, set that aside. We're going to go on here on this side. Now here we have 3 screws. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Once you remove those 3 screws, this tabs right here is what's holding the bracket in place. So you lift up gently the elevator, holding on the table, push it backwards, and then it comes off. All right. Now the elevator motor, it's here in this plastic bracket, along with the 9-pin connection or your Molex connection for a V4. To remove the motor, you press this tab and unhook it from there, and you kind of twist it at an angle upwards, like so. Push it up a little bit, and then you turn it like so, and then the motor just comes up straight up like this. Notice that you have your wheel here, okay, your gear, and then you have this bushing that goes on the front. To replace the motor, you put it simply back to this hole right there, okay, like so. This will fall in like in there. Make sure it's seated all the way down firmly, and just reverse all the steps. Put it back onto the elevator and do everything backwards.